Okay, so good afternoon, guys. Here again, Investor Doctor Academy and Apple a week, which is the weekly review of the 5 major futures product. Okay, so we're gonna review how these 5 futures product perform during the week, 12 to 16 of November. So what actually happened last week is that for index market, the team is still under the trade war team, all right. But we can see that the U.S. stock market is mainly dragged down by the sharp fall in the crude oil, so the oil and gas stock going down, and also the technology stocks, okay, show some correction in technology stocks. So for commodities, we can see that the crude oil here, all right. Actually, the weekly crude oil data is not so good because the inventories is continuously rise for few weeks. So fundamentally it's more to bearish. So we keep on watching the news of any update for OPEC. So the OPEC will got a meeting in December, so may have a trend change here. So we keep look on that. And then for the CPO, okay, we can see here sharp fall on last Friday. No concrete news yet, but the price action already tell us is more to bearish. So the CPO fundamentally is still not that good. But watch out, the CPO production season may reach its peak in, I think, around this month or next month. So it's quite delayed compared to last few years. But we can see here, if you compare the inventories now, it's still above 3 million. So it's still bearish. Is the movement more or less same like the 2015 that year. Okay, so 2015 that year, we can see that at 2015 the price once dropped to 1xx something, so it's quite potential that this year price may go to test that level first. All right, so it's more to bearish. Okay, if we look at the gold, all right, gold last week we can see got show a quite good rebound because the USD retreat from its high. All right, it's pulled back into the Bollinger Band. So quite bullish last week. So congratulations if you able to long 1,200 or below. So for now we can see the gold is able to sustain above 1,200 level. All right, so Dow Jones, like we mentioned just now, all right, close with a week with a loss, but we able to see the rebound near the weekend. All right, we're able to see the rebound in weekend because the trade war quite optimistic. So we keep on watching the news, and also along with the crude oil rebound. But crude oil fundamentally, I think, it's just a rebound, not no signal of going back to bull trend yet. So at first we look at the FKLI trend. All right, we look at this weekly chart. So if you want to know more about this kind of technical analysis for the past weeks, so you can just subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Subscribe our YouTube channel to look if we will share more videos in here for free. And also for latest news or trading plan for the futures, just follow our Telegram channel to know more about how to trade on the day, right? So for this technical analysis, if you wish to learn more, because we now be structuring some technical analysis course. All right, so stay tuned. We will announce in Facebook and Telegram. So for those who interested to subscribe our course, can join us. Okay, our course will be in KL Selangor, Shah Alam there. All right, so we look at here FKI weekly chart. Technical indicators, MACD below 0, and then the RSI closing down. So it's in a more sideways, but more to bearish signal. All right, but it's just if we look at the weekly chart, it's just a enter correction in a uptrend. All right, correction in an uptrend with possible short-term correction. All right, but required to close below this level, 1655. All right, close below 1655 will trigger another downside. So for now, it's still okay. Move in the inside Bollinger Band channel. All right, and then we look at the daily chart. All right. Oh yeah. Another point in weekly chart is that it's already 2 weeks of near doji candlestick. Near doji candlestick meaning that there is no new catalyst or market is uncertain, so may enter a short-term sideways. Okay, we can see here it's moving in this range. All right. So need to wait for more breakout. So the daily chart is start to forming a possible double bottom technical rebound signal required to close above this level, 1729. All right. So required to close above 1729 to trigger more upside signal. So for now, we still in Bollinger Band channel range bound. All right, but testing rebound because you can see here the technical indicator is closing up. Okay, and then we look at the hourly chart. Okay, it's still more or less same like the hourly chart in a sideways. We can see here. Okay, got a more significant resistance here, which is 1749. Okay, we give round number 1750. So close above 1750 will continue to going rebound here. All right. So if we able to draw a Fibo, I think here. All right, if we draw a Fibo level in daily chart, here to here. All right, so from daily chart, it's showing that required to close above this 61.8. Okay, to form a confirmed rebound signal to back to above 1,800. So far it's just a rebound. All right, so far it's just a rebound. Okay, MACD expanding upside, and then MACD the Bollinger Band expanding upside, and then technical indicator closing up. So we summarize for FKLI. The major trend is in a correction in an uptrend, okay, and then the shorter time frame enter sideways but testing rebound now. So can be long or short because it's in a sideways, right? Can be long or short. So if for the short-term day traders, because we look at a very short-term trend is more to upside. So for the day traders can prioritize on buy signal, buy setup. Okay. Then we look at this FCPO chart. So FCPO remain below 3-year low, higher low, lower low and lower high, and then continuously 2 weeks in closing red, and then technical indicator still closing down, so bearish. So for the situation now, the CPO trend is more smooth compared to others because all the weekly, daily and hourly chart all pointed the FCPO is bearish one. So just remain in sell setup. Okay, so we can see here the daily is same. All right, so the possibility is that we'll got a RSI oversold rebound, technical rebound sahaja lah. All right, so required to close above 2150 to go back previous high around 2,300 here. So we look at 1 hour chart. Okay, more or less the same. All right. So because this is CC chart, if we look at the contract month, which is February chart, the technical indicator is still closing down one. All right. So it's also more to bearish. So we summarize for FCPO. Overall, it's bearish. All right. For long time frame to short time frame, all point to bear trend. All right. So we prioritize on sell signal. Just watch out, maybe got a technical rebound for RSI oversold. So that's all for the FCPO. So for the crude oil, you can see here is enter a correction in and rebound stage, not an uptrend. It's a rebound stage. Alright, so now testing 61.8 level. Okay, we can see here. So as for the weekly chart, it's showing that as long as the crude oil price stay above this level, about 45.47, around this level, the rebound stage is still intact. Alright. So as we mentioned, the double top signal here is still intact. Alright, because no rebound signal for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 week close in red lah. So it's still more to bearish, but in an rebound stage. So it's not a downtrend signal but bearish. Then we look at the daily chart. Okay, we can see here from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is already testing rebound. Okay, but the volume is declining, so maybe not that strong yet. So RSI is in oversold. So from what daily chart can tell is that the trend is testing a technical rebound in very short term. Okay, so we look at hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart showing the same is testing rebound in the very short term. Technical indicators show above 0, and then the RSI above 50 is a good sign. So at least required to close above 58 lah, if we give it a rough number. Okay, close above 58 to trigger more rebound signal, and then the rebound signal will end if close below this level, which is 55.59. So we watch out these two levels. So we summarize for the crude oil. Crude oil is overall is actually bearish, but for short-term day traders may look for the buy signal because shorter time frame in testing rebound. Alright, but it's not strong yet, just a technical rebound, that's all. Alright, so we watch on these two important levels. So we look at gold. Gold actually quite good because the USD got retreat from the high. So we can see here, we first look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart is in a sideways trend because it's moving around the middle line of vertical band. And then RSI and MACD is still below 0 in bearish, and then RSI is neutral, testing 50 level. Alright, so we can see here the gold is in a long-term sideways. So if we look at the daily chart, okay, daily chart, we can see here is testing the middle line of Bollinger Band, not yet confirmed, which is also the 61.8 level. Okay, so not yet confirmed the rebound signal required to close above this 1226. Okay, so we watch on this level. If gold close above 1226, we'll go testing the 12451 or 1246 level here, the upside of Bollinger Band. Okay, then technical indicators show neutral around 0, so don't have a clear direction signal yet for the gold. So gold lebih susah nak trade lah because no clear direction signal, but shorter time frame is more to bullish. Alright, for shorter time frame because it's continuous 4 days of closing green. Alright, and then we look at this hourly chart. So show the same things, testing 61.8, not yet been confirmed. So for the defensive traders may look at buy signal above 1226. Alright, for aggressive, you can always look at maybe 5 minute or 15 minutes time frame, got high and low, then we just go to buy. Alright, so technical indicators is closing up. So we summarize for gold. Gold don't have a clear direction signal, is in a sideways, but for the short-term day traders can prioritize on buy signal as the technical indicator closing up, MACD above 0, and also the Bollinger Band expecting upside. Alright, red close above 126 to confirm. So at last we look at this Dow Jones chart. Okay, Dow Jones chart, weekly chart, we can showing that it's overall in an uptrend, but testing correction may enter sideways. So we can see here the trend is moving along in the Bollinger Band channel. Alright, we can see here, touch here going down, touch here going up, move in the channel. So the channel now upside is around 27,000. Alright, so cross above this level will trigger another bull trend. So for now it's not confirmed yet, but also watch out the weekly bearish divergence signal. here. All right, I got draw here. RSI form lower low, but the price form higher high. So got a bearish divergence here, maybe go down, but the price action not confirmed yet lah. So we wait for price to confirm. And then we look at the daily chart, also enter sideways. We can see here the Bollinger Band start to move in flat. The index testing 61.8 level of the swing here, not yet confirmed. So required to close above this level, 25566. So as long as we can see the Dow Jones close above 256, will trigger another buy signal to test the previous high around 26268 here. And technical indicator testing rebound, but MACD required to close below above 0 to confirm. Okay, not yet confirmed yet. And then we look at the hourly chart. Hourly chart more or less the same, so we can see here is trading in between this range 24782 to 25567. So for defensive traders, we can wait for the breakout. For aggressive trader, we can prioritize on buy signal because hourly chart or below the time frame, the indicator is closing up. Okay, and also the candle form higher high and higher low. Just not confirm it longer time frame yet. Required to close above 25566. Alright, so here is finish our review of these 5 products. I do some summary here. Yeah. Okay, this is a few sentences to summarize important point. So FKLI more or less same with the Dow Jones is in a correction in an uptrend. Alright. And then the shorter time frame is testing rebound. So can be long or short, but prioritize on buy signal. Okay, prioritize on buy signal for the shorter time frame traders. All right, so CPO is got a clear direction signal, which is all the time frame pointed to downside. So remain sell set up, and then maybe likely be RSI oversaw technical rebound, but overall trend is still more to bearish. No any rebound signal yet lah. So for the crude oil is in a correction, double top is still in there. So overall is still sell signal. Alright, but for the aggressive short-term day traders can look for the buy signal. Okay, but required to close above 258 to confirm. So can be long or short for now. Alright, so for the gold, like I mentioned just now, no clear direction. Alright, but the shorter time frame got rebound signal, so prioritize on buy setup. So overall, except for the FCPO, the rest 4 products for very short-term day traders can look for buy setup. Alright, just be cautious that the FKI and YM still, the Dow Jones still in correction stage, and also the crude oil also in correction stage. So that's all. Alright. So if you wish to know more about this technical analysis, we now actually structuring the new course. Alright, the new course which is very cheap and reasonable. So our course will be in KL, but stay tuned. We will announce the course in Facebook or Telegram. So at last, please feel free or ask your friends to follow our Telegram channel, our Facebook channel, which is already provided below this YouTube video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, all for free. So that will be all for today. So we see again in next week, next Sunday, and April a week. Thank you very much.